Hi students, this is the last problem in solving right triangles, question number 9. Again, it's one of those problems where we don't know the reference angle. So looking at this triangle here, I do know 2 of the sides. So I can use the Pythagorean theorem and do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember, a is across from big A, little b is across from big B. So I would say 10 squared plus 21 squared equals c squared. And this is an easier problem than the last one I did. If I want to make this go away, the opposite of squaring something is square root. And if I square root that entire thing, I should have little c. Again, before I get going on my calculator, hit mode, make sure degree is highlighted. Okay, square root, second squared, 10 squared plus 21 squared. Close your parentheses, and there's your answer for little c, 23.26. Make sure you round to the nearest hundredth, which is 2 decimal places. Okay, let's do the rest of the problem. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. This is the reference angle I'm going to work with. X. We can also call it angle A because of the vertex. This 10 here is considered the opposite. And 21 is considered the adjacent. Now, I'm not going to deal with c because we have c up there on the calculator, and I don't want to use a rounded number or I could have rounding error. So I'm going to use opposite and adjacent. Looking at SOHCAHTOA, I notice opposite and adjacent deals with the t for tangent. So if I wrote this out, the tangent of some unknown angle, we'll call it angle A, or you could call it x, doesn't matter, equals opposite over adjacent, 10 over 21. Now, anytime we have unknown angles, the way I get rid of this tangent here is I need to do its opposite operation, which would be an inverse. So if I want this tangent to go away, I take the tangent inverse. And if I do it over here on the left, I have to do it over here on the right. These will cancel each other out. And I get A equals the tan inverse of 10 over 21. And I'll type that in my calculator. Second tan, it's the little blue with the -1 on top. They share the same button on the calculator. And 10 divided by 21, enter. So angle A is 25.46 degrees, rounded appropriately. Now, I could use trig again, but we know the fact that all 3 triangles add up to 180. And if that angle C is 90, then 90 minus angle A should be angle B. So on my calculator, I'm going to go 90 minus my last answer, so I don't have to type in all those decimals. And I get this. I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. And again, very important that you round appropriately in Math Excel. I'm going to run a little line down here. Okay? This 5 right here should turn to a 6. And this 3, whoops, got to move that over. My line moved. This 6 stays alone. This 3 here turns to a 4. So I'll go back to my calculator. I'll look at the answers I typed in. Side C is 23.26. That looks good. Angle A is 25.46. That looks good. Okay, the last one. Angle B is 64.54. That looks good. Round it up. Check my answer, and it looks great.